Many small towns have downtown heritage cores that have lost retail and traffic to the surrounding suburbs. Selkirk, Manitoba is an example of this. As these downtown core streets come to the end of their life with respect to utilities, have to be redone, upgraded, new utilities, and new urban design. And this is an opportunity for them to start to invest in the infrastructure downtown to make the heritage downtown be a more appealing place and to drive traffic. Part of that is to provide large volumes of uncompacted soil through the use of Silva Cells and be able to grow large mature trees so they can provide canopy, and that's part of that urban feel that they're trying to provide. One of the technical issues at Selkirk was that the street sloped from left to right. So all the water was running to one side of the street into the catch basins, and we could run that water into the Silva Cells. However, on the other side of the street, there was a question about how we were going to get water to those trees. So we came up with the solution of putting in a trench drain just behind the curb to capture the sidewalk water runoff and then run that water underneath the decks of the Silva Cells into the soils volume so that we could provide some water for those trees. So Deeproot, not only do we sell Silva Cells, but we can be your design partner